Just give me a second. I don't even know. I'm trying to back up so I could get some good lighting right here. Snackheads, what's good? It's your boy C-Snacks. I'm doing it for Hot for Food. Check it out. I'm doing it. I'm crossing over. If you've been seeing my videos or going to my channel, you know, I still be backsliding, you know, but I'm trying to cross over to be, you know, live that vegan life. But I still be sinning. You know what I'm saying? I still be sinning. But we ain't gonna talk about that. Yo, today this is about Naramu ice cream. Naramu. 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 Yo, is any cow in there? There's no bells, no, not a moo. Dairy-free dessert, 100% coconut, organic coconut milk. Yeah, man, this is the good stuff right here. It's a vegan, like plant-based. Let's go. All right, let's crack it open. So I like my ice creams. I don't like it hard. I like it like soft, almost like milkshakey-ish. Milkshakey-ish, I think. That's not even a word. I'll put it on the balcony for a little bit. And yeah, man, voila, magic. Yeah, I like it creamy like that. I don't know, yo, because I like it. I like my ice cream, if it's gonna be frozen in a pint, I like my ice cream to be like the soft one. You know what I'm saying? They pull down and be like, ooh, like to taste it, here it go. Ooh, see, it's like milkshakey-ish. Oh God, come on. Come on. Come on. You know, sometimes you gotta go on the second time because either it's that good or you just like, I think I missed something. Let me go on and get it again. Let me go on and get it again. Man, some good stuff. Yo, see, that's what, when I went in the first time, I felt like a chunk. So it's strawberry cheesecake, and this is a little piece of cheesecake going on there. And it better not be no cheese in there, because we trying to do plant-based, dairy-free. That's what we trying to do. Wow. Okay, that's a little crush from the cheesecake. Damn, this is good. Man, that's some damn good Naramu strawberry cheesecake. Coconut milk. Damn, this is good. This is all right. In Jesus' name, yes, he is. Won't he do it? That's for my church folks. I don't know. Anyway. Yo, the way it's so creamy and it's not that sweet. It almost reminds me of like a sherbet. Like with the raspberry strawberry sherbet. This is really, really good, man. Oh, this would be dope. And a milkshake. Ooh. Throw this bad boy up in a blender, son. Hell yeah. This is what's up, bro. Like, Naramu. Naramu. This is that name is funny. It reminds me of somebody from the block. Hey, yo, who that, man? That's Naramu right there. Naramu crazy. Yo, he be wilding out when he start drinking. Okay. Just drop some on my pants. This is banging. This is banging. Go. Guys, if you see this, pick it up. Especially the strawberry cheesecake one. It's banging. Your boy C-Snacks says it's banging. Man, I'm about to hang out with this ice cream. I'm about to take her to the park. I'm gonna sit down and talk to her, like, girl, look, you know I knew you was the right one for me ever since I peeled your top back. You know what I'm saying? I put you in my mouth. It's your boy C-Snacks. Peace.